And it is mentioned that undoubtedly the Prophet ﷺ has issued orders to pay the debt before acting upon a will. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, undoubtedly Allah commands you to pay back the trusts to their owners. So the return of the trust is more essential than the desirable act of following a will. And the Prophet ﷺ has said, charity is when you are affluent. And Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu has said, a slave should not make a testament without the permission of his master. And the Prophet ﷺ said, a slave is a supervisor of his master's property. Hazrat Sa'id bin Musayyab and Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu report that Hazrat Hakim bin Hizam radiyallahu anhu says, I begged something from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave me. Again I begged of him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave me. Afterwards he said, O Hakim, undoubtedly property is charming in appearance and sweet in taste. Now, and whosoever receives it without an avarice, it will be blessed for him. And whosoever receives it with an avaricious mind, it will not be blessed for him. And he will be like the one who keeps on eating without being satiated. Remember, and the upper hand that gives is better than the lower one that receives. Hakim says that he submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by him who has sent you with the truth, I will not, after begging from you, beg anything from anybody till I leave the world. And he remained so true to his promise that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu would summon him to give goods, but he would refuse. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu summoned him so as to give him some goods, but he refused to accept it. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu announced, O Muslims, be a witness that I am giving Hakim the share which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has fixed out of the spoils for him, but he himself is refusing to take his share. In short, Hazrat Hakim, after the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, did not accept to take the goods from anyone till he died. May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower His mercy on him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2750.